Hi. I have a camera now. I have an entire gaming computer. Yes, yes. And we're gonna be playing. What are we gonna be playing? Um, Mario 64 online. Online. I'm an idiot. I just gotta set it up. Gotta, gotta move my thing. Where should I move it? I should move it to the bottom. Down there. Alright. And then open Net64, the newest version. Hello. Hello. I've never recorded a YouTube video with the game cam and the face cam, but I'm now doing it. It's epic. I'm looking at the camera. Now it's epic. Um, yeah, by the way, I can see my own face too. I can see my face cam. Pretty sure everyone knows that. Alright, this is gonna be pretty good. Yeah, I'm so happy. No, you. Hi. This is so cool. Wow, lol. Half killed. And now Luigi's dead. Ah! Freaking idiot. Take that. Shooting stars everywhere. I broke the door. I broke the door. I didn't think I could do that with the Infinity Gauntlet. Jeez. Break the door. I can't break the door. Sad. I'm sad. We're sad. Shut up, ghost. Why can't I freaking destroy the door? I destroyed the outside door. Perfectly fine. I want to destroy the door. I want to. I can't even open the door. That's not good. And I can't BLJ into there. Because even if I did. Oh. I'm gonna have to take this off because people are gonna start saying some crazy things. Because people are gonna start saying some wild stuff. Oh my god. This is. Thank you. Okay. This is my first time ever doing this. Not playing the game, doing this. This. Can I enter doors? Yes, I can. Just, I can't enter certain doors. I always see a lot of people go to... Yeah, I have all the stars, if you didn't see at the intro. Well, not all of them, but I have mostly all of them. Basically. Oh, what did I press? Did I press Alt? What did I press? Was that just a notification? Alright. I don't think I'll be doing any cuts in this video. I'm not gonna do any cutting. I'll just leave everything the way it is. Time to destroy. Oh, this guy has the free thing! Free movement. Nice. This guy can literally move anywhere. I can't... So I just can't get out? I gotta... Wow. Whoa! Finally. Why'd I say that as if I was in there forever? What? I can fly too? What the frick? I didn't know the Infinity Gauntlet gave me the ability to fly. I'm a soaring Luigi. Wish upon a flying Luigi. What else can I do? I mean, I can obviously do that. Whoosh. Let's go to the first level. You know, easiest level. I'm being so quiet. I'm just into the game right now. If I ever do a live stream, I don't feel like much people would join, so I don't think I'd ever do one. So why would I even say that? I'm being stupid. Die. Listen, I'm gonna end you. Whoa! What the heck did I do? Well, I did something. Try me. I'm inevitable. No! Well, this sucks. I'm on top of my bed right now. Oh, hey! I want to destroy the doors and stuff. Go fast, Mario. Luigi. Why won't you go fast? Fast. Apparently, whatever, I'm just gonna go through. I can't! Okay. Excuse me. God. Ah, get me off the wall! Ah, get out of here! How fast do I have to move in order to get out of this room? Why? I will not stand for this. I'm going to foot race Koopa the fricking fricker. Wait, can I like kill anything? Can I kill him? I can kill Goombas. Wow. Nobody even knows I have this mod on. Just shooting stars diagonally. Beep, beep, beep. Can I kill you while you're running? I can't kill him. He's the one thing I can't kill. If I can't kill you, then I'll just beat you in a race. Freaking stupid. No. Did I push him off? Unless I just don't know his path or something. Ah! No! Gotta beat Koopa the Boom. I gotta beat Koopa the Boom. Koopa the Boomer! Nice. 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 Is the camera transparent? Because it's transparent for me. I don't know why. Go fast! No! Don't touch the tree. Don't touch the 3. Ow. Freaking stupid idiots. Idiot. Huh, huh. Is that spit on my computer screen? How is that? 1, 2. Yahoo! Oh my god. No. Yippee! I'm inside of his face. He's trying to eat me. Help, help, help. He's going to eat me. Stop it. Stop. It's possible rapid fire like that. Tiny rapid fire, not big rapid fire. Oh, shoot. Video's almost over. I can only record up to 15 minutes. That's okay. I'm at 13 and 40 seconds. So I'll just... BLJ? How come sometimes I can, but sometimes... Maybe it's when I hit the door that I can't exit because I hit it. Let me try here. It's because I hit the door. Wait, what happens if I destroy it? I destroyed it before, and I'll do it again. Yeah, when I hit it, I break the door, and I can't, like, go through it anymore. Ha. The door? Anymore? Ha. Real funny. I'm a comedian. Wait, what does it look like with the table? Oh, perfect. I want... Yeah, because the government is trying to watch me through my camera. I'm not stupid. I'm smart. So I blocked it. My dad actually blocked it, not me. I can't enter the door, man. I'm sad. Sad boy hours. Get through!